Hi, my name is Joe Cirillo with Gospel First, and thanks for your decision to follow me on this exciting journey to find Christ's restored church in our day. But before I give you question number 8, did you get the answers to question number 7? Why do people believe God the Father and Jesus Christ are one being when Christ refers to himself and his Father as two men? In John chapter 8, verse 17 to 18, it states, "It is also written in your law that the testimony of two men is true. I am one who bears witness of myself, and the Father who sent me bears witness of me." Also, a few other scriptures that the question is best answered by referring to is Mark 1, verses 10, Luke 3:21, where it describes the baptism of Jesus. As Jesus comes out of the water, the heavens open, and the Spirit descends like a dove, and a voice from heaven declares him as the beloved Son. The scene presents three distinct entities: Jesus, the Spirit, and the voice of the Father from heaven. It wouldn't make sense to suggest that Jesus was a ventriloquist attempting to deceive people. In Acts chapter 7, verses 55, Stephen sees Christ sitting on the right hand of the Father. The idea that Jesus is sitting on his own right hand is confusing. The oneness of God is characterized by unity in love, sharing one's purpose as one God. Luke 12, verses 10 emphasizes a greater consequence for blaspheming against the Holy Ghost compared to speaking against Jesus. If Jesus and the Holy Ghost were the same, this distinction wouldn't hold. The Holy Ghost reveals truth through the Spirit, while Jesus reveals truth through his actions. The Father is not only the Father of Jesus Christ, but also of all humanity. These scriptures are not inherently complex, but various doctrines have led to confusion. It's crucial to interpret them in context to avoid misunderstanding and misinterpretations. So here's question number 8. The first Hebrew word for God renders the word God in plural. Is there more than one God? You can find the answers in 1 Corinthians chapter 8, verse 5. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Gospel First Lesson and have found it inspiring. For more insights on God's plan of happiness for you, you can visit our website at gospelfirst.net. Now, I'd love to hear from you, so please leave your questions or comments in the comments section of this video. Also, you can help me spread the good news of the gospel of Jesus Christ by hitting the like, subscribe, and share button. Together, we can make a difference. So until next time, God bless.